Appiatse.
Preliminary investigations by the police found that Thursday's splatter at Appiatse in the western region was caused by collision between a vehicle carrying mining explosives and a motorcycle. The mining vehicle is said to have been moving from Tarkwa and heading towards Chirano Mines. Preliminary investigations has established that a mining explosive vehicle moving from Tarkwa to Chirano Mines collided with the motorcycle, resulting in the explosion. Earlier reports on social media platforms alleged the explosion that occurred between Bogoso and Bogoso was cars-related by the police, and its report says otherwise. In a Facebook post, the service noted that most of the victims have been rescued and admitted at various hospitals and clinics within the Bogoso municipality.
The whole Appiatse, serious, the whole Appiatse. Disaster, the whole Appiatse. Hi. Oh, Nipa shall see how busy they are. The whole town. No, so no sign away. The whole town, we've been seeing that.
According to the police, its personnel have taken charge of the situation, providing security to enable the emergency workers, including the Ghana National Fire Service, National Disaster Management Organization, NADMO, and the National Ambulance Service to manage the situation. Meanwhile, residents in the affected area have been advised to move out to nearby towns for their safety while recovery efforts are underway.